Ever wondered what Iran really tastes like? Today, we're making Ghormeh Sabzi, the ultimate Persian herb stew. It's bold, herby, a little sour, and insanely comforting. Stick around, this dish might just become your new favorite comfort food. Ghormeh Sabzi, often called the king of Persian stews, has been a beloved dish in Iran for over 500 years. The word ghormeh means stewed meat, and sabzi means herbs, so at its core, it's a deeply aromatic herb and meat stew. It originated from ancient Persian households where herbs were abundant, and slow cooking was a way of life. Traditionally served on Fridays, Iran's main family day, this dish brings people together, often cooked with love by grandmothers and passed on through generations. Its unique blend of sautéed herbs, tangy dried lime, tender meat, and beans creates a flavor that's hard to describe. It's earthy, sour, comforting, and unlike anything else. Today, it's more than just food. It's cultural identity on a plate. Us Iranians love to sauté the herbs for Ghormeh Sabzi a lot. Like, really a lot. It gives that deep, rich flavor we crave, but also makes the dish pretty oily. So if you're not into heavy or greasy food, feel free to sauté the herbs just lightly. It'll still be delicious, maybe not as bold and intense, but definitely easier on the stomach. Here's a little secret from Persian kitchens. We Iranians soak our beans for up to 2 days. Yes, really. And change the water a few times. It helps reduce the bloating beans can cause. Of course, you can totally use canned beans if you're short on time. But here's the key, let the herbs and meat cook slowly for at least 2 hours before you add the beans. And make sure those beans are fully cooked. Trust me, timing makes all the difference in this dish. While the traditional recipe doesn't include it, I always add a bit of pomegranate paste. It balances the richness of the stew with a subtle tang and enhances the overall flavor profile beautifully. Now don't tell me you still don't know how to make Persian rice. I've posted it so many times. Go binge those older videos, I promise, your rice game will level up. Okay, if you're still watching and your mouth isn't watering, you're stronger than me. Like, subscribe, and let's keep cooking together.